if you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on Zelle, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions carefully to manage your Zelle settings effectively. Step 1. Access your Zelle account. Log into your Zelle account through the app or your bank's website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Preferences section of your account. This is typically found in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Find transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Adjust your preferences. Select the option to modify your transaction limits or restrictions. You may need to enter additional information or confirm your identity to proceed with the changes. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, ensure you save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your preferences have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Zelle account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for further assistance.